The first forum of the civil society was held at the Parkin Hotel. The goal of the forum was to strengthen the position of the civil society sector in Azerbaijan and to unite around a single organization to address the problems faced by civil society institutes. But leaders of some NGOs rejected this idea, citing the ongoing problems faced by civil society institutions despite the existing national NGO forum. One of the organizers, Gubadi Badoğlu, spoke on the state of the civil society sector. The organizers drafted a national agenda for civil society, drawing attention to problems with registration, financial and tax issues, and decision making. There are almost 3,000 NGOs in the country. In 2006, there was a boom in registration of the new NGOs, but following this peak, rates started to decline. The registration process is excessively bureaucratic. There are 3 civil society institutes for every 1,000 people in Azerbaijan. This is lower than European countries, Georgia and even Armenia. The participants declared that civil society institutes are not active enough, given that 527 NGOs won project grants in 2010 and only 434 in 2011. Recently, warnings have been issued by government bodies and some civil society institutes have been shut down in the absence of due legal process. Taxes on the grants given to NGOs were deemed unfair, with the exception of the taxes on salaries, but not from the overall amount of the grant. In order to enable NGOs to take part in shaping the future of the country, participants proposed drafting a law on social participation for the parliament. The requirements for registration are extremely restrictive. NGO leaders condemn the government requirement that an organization have a 10,000 managed charter fund before it can be registered.